And you're recording it?
Yes, come on. Come on. People is gonna hear it. Jesus, I can't re-record it again. So, yeah. This tastes good.
Perfect.
Promise it's not just because I'm recording you.
It's worth making.
Curry. Nagsusutay pa lang po tayo mga sis. And then, I'm gonna put coconut milk on it. Diba mga sis? Magsutay na tayo. Yan. Wait kayo sa next video. Tapos na po yan. Tapos lagyan natin yung potatoes, bell pepper, celery, and don't forget curry powder and turmeric mga sis. Right now mga sis, maglalagay tayo ng 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, pero kung gusto nyo ng all-purpose cream, pwede din po. So, we're gonna put it on the curry. And then, susunod natin yung pineapple chunks. And then, last po itong ground turmeric. So, let's see. May progress na po siya. Yan po. Okay. To the next video. The last part. Once nalagay na po natin yung heavy whipping cream, you can put the pineapple chunks, mga sis. Pasarap yan, pineapple chunks, para the best. So, chicken curry. Tapos, papakulaan lang natin mga 10-15 minutes. Kayo na bahala kung gusto nyo lagyan ng salt and pepper, pampalasa, o fish sauce. Ayun! Thank you for watching!